morning, everyone. Just whipped up some breakfast. Ember and I are off on another adventure, and this should be a fun one. I'm just outside of, well, I'm in Tok right now. And we're headed back into Canada for a few days. We're going to take the top of the world highway to Dawson City, and then from Dawson City up to Tuktoyaktuk. Unfortunately, Cynthia wasn't able to come. I miss you. I love you. But I've been looking forward to this trip for 2 years. I was supposed to take it on my motorcycle, but the Revel will do. It's a little bit more enjoyable. So yesterday I drove from Anchorage to Tok. It took me about 6 hours. I left kind of late, got here about 9 o'clock last night, made a quick dinner, and then went to bed. That way I could get up early and get on the road. So this is where I stayed. So I'm on the back side of the Chevron, and there's several motorhomes here last night and another van. Not much of a view, but when all you're doing is pulling in, sleeping, and eating, and then leaving, it doesn't make any sense to pay for a campground. So I just wanted to get here, get settled, and then start from here today. Let's head across the top of the world. Camp is all torn down. I'm gonna finish my coffee, dishes are done, and then we'll go explore. The Taylor Highway between Tok and Chicken consists of 70 miles of paved road with a few broken gravel areas, frost heaves that can cause significant damage if you are not careful, and beautiful views. This route links the town of Tok, Alaska and Chicken, Alaska. Chicken, Alaska was established 10 years prior to the Klondike Gold Rush in 1886 by prospectors who found gold in its rivers. The population of the community of Chicken upon its founding was around 400 people. When they established a post office, they had to agree upon a name, but as history tells it, the locals saw plenty of ptarmigan in the area, but couldn't spell the word, so settled with the name of Chicken. Chicken is still an active gold mining community, although the population has dropped to between 7 in the winter and 17 in the summer. As with most interior Alaska communities, this is a place that endures extreme temperatures with an average of -30 in the winter and 70 in the summer. The community of Chicken has embraced a new form of gold, which is tourism. Several campgrounds exist in this tiny community for RVs, and they hold annual events like Chicken Stock, which is a music festival to draw tourists to visit. I missed Chicken Stock by about a week on this trip. Many music festivals occur throughout Alaska in the summer, and this is one that I wish I would have been to.
closing time, the bar is almost empty. It's me, the bartender, and the piano man. The last call for alcohol has come and gone. Hey buddy, time to go home. Sounds like a messed up plan. It's just the thought of you that's more than I can take. I guess some hearts were made to break. Outside the night is warm and quiet. I hear the neon signs and the street lights buzz. The lovers, the one night stands, and the ones who buy it have all put to rest. One more day's fuss.
So I'm in Chicken, Alaska. The first gold that was found here was in 1896, and they used the hand method and got $2 million worth of gold. Then they built dredges, they got a ton more gold, and the dredges stopped in 1958. However, they still find gold here to this very day. Amazing little town, and I recommend you stop here.